Welcome to AutoCAD tutorial. Here we will learn how to use AutoCAD tools and to become effective and efficient in using AutoCAD. Today majority of mechanical, civil, electrical and architectural drawings are prepared in this software. So let's start learning it. We will use AutoCAD 2010 for this purpose. To start AutoCAD, we should first click on the AutoCAD 2010 option in the Programs menu, or we can select it from the desktop. Once the program is loaded into the memory, the AutoCAD 2010 drawing screen will appear. Note that many of the menu items listed in the pull-down menus can also be accessed through the Quick Access toolbar or ribbon panels. This is an additional facility of AutoCAD 2010. Here, F1 is used for help and we have a search box at the title bar where we can type the topic and get the related topic's help. This is the standard window of AutoCAD 2010. Here we have the Customize Quick Access toolbar and we have a search box where we will type the help topic and that topic will be displayed. The other tools are related to draw, modify, layers, annotation, block, properties, utilities and clipboard. Draw and modify are important to draw drawings. Layers will keep layers for the drawing and others are useful later on. The black window is the drawing window where we will prepare our drawings, and then we have a command window where we can type the command. The last bar of the window is status bar, which will display the zoom and other related facilities of AutoCAD 2010 window. This is AutoCAD's classic window. This window is very well known to the users of AutoCAD who have used the earlier versions like 2008, 7, 6 or 5. The earlier versions of AutoCAD had this type of window in which menu bar, standard toolbar, layers, draw, modify and command window was available. In newer versions, there are so many other tools have been added. Every object we construct in a CAD system is measured in units. We should determine the system of units within the CAD system before creating the first geometric entity. Drawing unit setup is very easy. For this, we should click on Format menu and then Unit submenu of it. Or we can type UN command in command window and then press enter or spacebar. This is AutoCAD standard window as we said. Now let us learn how to type UN and get its effect. Type UN in the command window and press enter. The dialog box of drawing units will appear on the screen where select architectural for civil drawings or architectural drawings and then select precision out of this whichever is suitable to your drawing, and then angle where decimal degrees would be suitable, and in precision we can take to 2 or 3 decimals. For civil drawings we will select the unit to scale is inches. Then click on OK. and the units have been set. The next step is to set limits. To set limits, let us type limits and press enter. It will ask for the lower left corner's point, that we will keep 0 and 0, and for the upper right corner we will type 100 feet, then comma, and then 100 feet once again. This will be the maximum measure for my drawing this time. Once I'll press enter or space bar, that much limit would be set. We will learn the other tools and menus in our next tutorial. Thank you.